Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable shutter silent mode on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the shooting section, or the section with the red camera icon. And then we're going to go to the shutter/silent option and select silent mode. So here we can enable or disable silent mode. So once we have that enabled, the photos that you will make will not make like a noise. Usually they do, like they make the shutter noise, but now it will be pretty much silent. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.